Let's just hope Freddy Mercury is getting his royalties from this one. Can you guess what today's product is? Keep watching, we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary, and this is my buddy Matt. We're just a couple of gadget nerds who are lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Vine Voices program. We review all the latest and greatest Amazon products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. All you gotta do is like this video, hit that subscribe button, and keep an eye out for the secret hashtag hidden somewhere in today's video. You'll need it if you want to be in the running to win. So, what product are we reviewing today? It's the Roku Express 4K Plus 2021 streaming media player. We're so spoiled these days when it comes to streaming options. There's Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu, Apple TV, YouTube, Disney Plus, and of course, your more niche services. One service is never going to get you everything you need, and switching between platforms on older TVs to see your favorite show can be a downright hassle. That's why Roku has been developing all-in-one streaming media players for over a decade now. Out of the box, there's just 4 components. The easy-to-use remote, the voice-activated streaming player, a premium HDMI cable, and a 5-volt power cable. There's no LAN cable connection. Instead, Roku relies on dual-band Wi-Fi for ultra-fast connection. The Roku Express 4K is sleek and super simple to connect. Once plugged in, the Roku has its own interface, bringing together all the popular streaming services into one place, as well as over 150 free channels that stream through the Roku network. This means that the Roku 4K Express can give a few extra years' life to your older, non-smart TV in the garage or kids' playroom. All you need is an HDMI port, and you're good to go. The Roku streams in HD, HDR, and full 4K with a vivid color optimizer for perfect picture. Change the streaming service, pause your favorite show, or turn up the volume, all from the handy remote control. But if pressing a button is too much work, the Roku remote is voice activated and integrates seamlessly with Google Assistant and Alexa. So, what do we like about the Roku Express 4K Plus 2021? We love how easy it is to browse and navigate all our streaming services from one page. There's no flipping sources, switching to your TV's smart menu, or waiting for the Netflix app to load. The Roku interface is slick, super responsive, and constantly updating. Plus, the free channels have enough content to keep you entertained, even if you don't have any active subscriptions. And we can't get past the fact that it can convert old TVs into smart TVs, meaning this guy has a few more years before we have to throw him out. So, what's the downside? The only thing that Roku users have been complaining about is the lack of YouTube support. We didn't have any issues playing YouTube. So I guess it's one of those things that can happen randomly. Ours worked flawlessly. So, what's the verdict? The Roku Express 4K Plus media player does exactly what it sets out to do, and that's simplify the overcrowded world of streaming services. The added bonus of converting old TVs into smart TVs makes this product well worth the bargain basement price. We give it a rating of 5 out of 5 stars. How can you fault something so perfect? And the Roku Express 4K Plus media player could be yours. We'll be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win this amazing product, the rules, as always, are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you're paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck! If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.